Never throw eggshells in the trash. They're priceless in the garden. Whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, cabbages, lettuces, or other vegetables, eggshells can make a big difference. Despite all our efforts, crops sometimes fall short due to disease or pests. When plants lack calcium, reach for eggshells. Eggshells contain magnesium, iron, potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. But most importantly, they're a rich source of easily absorbed calcium. Crushed in a mortar, coffee grinder, or blender, they make an excellent fertilizer. Simply add them to planting holes when transplanting seedlings like tomatoes. They'll improve fruiting and plant resilience. Soaked in water and left to sit, eggshells become a powerful liquid fertilizer for watering or spraying plants. Crushed and sprinkled around vegetables in the garden, they also protect against slugs. So next time you're about to toss out eggshells, think again. They might be better off buried in your garden. This spoonful will make your geraniums grow like crazy. Today, I'll share a secret you'll thank me for. The volume of your flowers will significantly increase, thanks to 2 ingredients. Their combination provides the flowers with all the vitamins and minerals they need to bloom. Let me show you what to do. First, prepare a 5-liter jug of water. Now, it's time for the main ingredient of this fertilizer: fresh yeast. Yeast is a source of amino acids essential for the synthesis of proteins and enzymes in plants. You'll need 10 grams of it. Measure it out using a kitchen scale and then add it to the jug. Next, we need to add a special powder to the water with the yeast. You might be surprised, but this is eggshells. Eggshells are rich in many minerals, such as calcium, which is crucial for the growth of our plants. Here's how to prepare the powder. Rinse and dry the eggshells, then crush them into small pieces, or even better, grind them into a fine powder using a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of this powder to the jug with water and yeast. Mix everything thoroughly. Use this nutrient-rich water to water your geraniums. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. Their color will be more vibrant, and above all, the number of flowers will significantly increase. Don't throw away eggshells. You'll be surprised how useful they can be. A rich source of calcium and other minerals. Place them in a blender and add a liter of hot water. The temperature is important, and I'll explain why in a moment. Blend everything until the shells are finely crushed. Now, grate a bar of soap using a coarse grater. You can use any type of soap. Add the grated soap to the mixture in the blender. The hot water will help dissolve the soap, creating a smooth consistency. Blend everything again. Next, add 1½ tablespoons of sugar. Sugar acts as a gentle abrasive. Also, add 1½ tablespoons of baking soda, which has cleaning and degreasing properties, thoroughly until you get a ready-to-use paste. Pour the mixture into plastic containers and let it cool and solidify. Once set, apply a small amount of the paste to a sponge and test it on a burnt pot. Thanks to the abrasive properties of the eggshells, the paste effectively removes burns and stains. As you can see, the pot looks as good as new. These simple eggshells can become the secret to a perfectly clean kitchen. Try it out. Throw eggshells onto a baking tray. You'll be surprised at what you can do with them. Eggshells are a great source of calcium and other minerals that can be used in many ways. Place them in the oven and heat for 5 minutes. This makes them more brittle and easier to grind. Now, transfer the toasted eggshells to a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural cleaner. Then, add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent, which helps break down stubborn stains. Blend everything until the eggshells turn into a fine powder. Your homemade cleaning mix is ready. Now, test it on burnt pots and pans. Sprinkle the powder on the scorched areas, scrub, and rinse. Wipe dry and see the difference. Tough stains and burns disappear without scratching the surface. Your pan looks like new, and cleaning has never been easier. Try this method and forget about expensive chemical cleaners. I hang this little gadget on my balcony. I make it entirely by myself. Start by placing eggshells in a small bowl and crushing them into smaller pieces with your fingers. Then take a glass bottle and press its bottom against the shells. As you press, you'll see how finely it breaks them down. Turn the bottle and use the tip for even more precise crushing. Once everything is ready, simply add the crushed shells to your plant. It's a natural boost that helps your plants grow strong and healthy. Eggshells provide valuable minerals like calcium and also act as a natural pest repellent. In just a few minutes, those shells you were going to throw away become the secret to healthier plants. Remember, using this natural fertilizer regularly can improve your plant's health and resistance to disease. Try it once and enjoy a beautiful, chemical-free garden. I pour Coca-Cola over a bag of eggshells. This trick changed my life. Start by placing the eggshells into a container. Then pour 1 cup of Coca-Cola into the container with the shells. Add half a cup of dish soap and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Blend everything well until you get a smooth mixture. Next, using a funnel, pour it into an empty soda bottle. Now pour the prepared liquid onto a burnt pan. Let it sit for a few minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then take a sponge and gently scrub the mixture into the burnt areas. You'll see how quickly and effortlessly the burnt residue comes off. Finally, rinse the pan thoroughly under running water and dry it with a cloth. The result will surprise you. The pan will look like new and you'll forget all about hard scrubbing. This quick and effective solution works in every kitchen. Just a few drops are enough to make tomatoes healthy and strong. The fruits will be bigger and more flavorful than ever. The first ingredient is eggshells. They contain calcium, magnesium, and micronutrients that strengthen the root system and protect against diseases. Grind the shells into a fine powder. The finer it is, the faster it will dissolve. Pour about 2 cups of water into a tall container. Add the ground shells and stir well. The next ingredient is a banana peel. Banana peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, which affect the size, flavor, and ripening of the fruits. Cut 1 peel into smaller pieces and add it to the container. Now it's time for nettle. It strengthens plants and repels pests. It's also rich in nitrogen, iron, and silica, which boost plant resistance. Add 2 teaspoons. Mix everything well and let it sit for at least an hour. After that, strain the mixture through a strainer lined with gauze to remove the solids. Pour the liquid into a bottle. Add the prepared fertilizer concentrate to a bucket of water and mix well. Water the tomatoes once a week. You can also use it for cucumbers or peppers. Your plants will grow like crazy. You won't be able to keep up with the harvest. Crush and sprinkle them around your garden veggies. Whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, or anything else, they're priceless in the garden. Your harvest will be richer and juicier. Eggshells are usually left over after baking or making breakfast. Don't toss them out. Start by cleaning the shells thoroughly. Pour hot water over them to remove any leftover egg white. After the hot water soak, place them on a paper towel and let them dry completely. Eggshells are a natural source of calcium, which supports strong plant growth. They also improve soil structure when mixed into the ground. Once dry, take them out to the garden. Crush them in your hands and scatter around your tomatoes or other vegetables. Lightly mix the crushed shells into the top layer of soil. They also serve as a great natural barrier against slugs, so before you throw out your eggshells next time, spread them in the garden instead. It's a simple, free, homemade trick for stronger, healthier plants.